So I'm going to show you now how to change filter cubes on the filter wheel if you need to change the fluorescence settings. So if you don't remove the camera, you can only pull out the filter wheel that much. You can see the filter cubes in here. And usually, well, the one that we change, that's the one, position 3, it's written here, post 3. That's the violet one. So to remove that, you need to pull it on to the right. You will hear a click. And then you can pull that out. Don't put your fingers on the filter or on the mirror. So to remove the camera, you need to use this tool. There is only one thing to unscrew, which is here. You should at the same time hold the camera because it's not on the table. It's actually a bit levitating. So just to make sure that this is not breaking. So you unscrew and you hold the camera until you can actually move the camera away. Okay. Okay. Then you pull the filter wheel out. So to put the filter on, the mirror has to go on top. So the two filters are at the bottom or on the side, and you'll have to. Okay, well, you'll have to block it on this small part. This thing you press it and turn it to the right at the same time. So then you need to put the filter wheel back on. So you have to slide it actually. There is like a small part here that has to slide here in the exact position. It's a bit tricky, but it's doable. Okay, well, that's fine. Not too complicated. Okay. Sometimes that pulls out again the dust cover of this side, so you have to put it back in. Up. And then you screw back the camera. You hold it, and you screw at the same time until you cannot screw it anymore. Okay. So you need to change the filter wheels depending on what dye you're using. So sometimes you have a dye that will not be excited by the filter cubes that are already on. And yeah, the other thing is a bit separate. But yeah, if you see that on the screen there are some marks on the screen, that means there may be some dust. It could be on the camera, it could be on the objectives, or it could be inside the filter wheel. So you can try and remove most of the dust by using compressed air and trying to put it a bit everywhere on the different microscope parts.